Hey everyone, I have a question for you. What is really preventing you from sitting down and doing the work that you need to get the results that you want? Let's say you want to improve your clarity and your confidence in English, and you know that you need to work on your pronunciation to get there. What is really preventing you from doing that? So a lot of you may tell me, Hadar, it's time. Some of you might say, I don't know what I need to do. Maybe you will say, I don't have someone to give me feedback, and this is why I can't actually do it. Now, all of those reasons are valid. However, they're not helping you to get the things that you want. If you want to speak more clearly and more confidently, and if you want to understand people better, it's going to be really helpful to set some time and practice your pronunciation. Now, a lot of you know that I'm really passionate about teaching and learning pronunciation because as a non-native speaker, I know how much it helped me improve my confidence and my fluency and my understanding of English. And this is why my mission on my channel and podcast and in my programs to simplify pronunciation for people who don't speak English as their first language. Now that I'm learning Spanish, the first thing that I did was to understand the pronunciation, how spelling corresponds with pronunciation, because once I got that figured out, it was a lot easier for me to read everything, to listen to people, and to understand everyone, and obviously to have the confidence to use it. Now, I can't help you with immediate feedback because I'm here and you're there. But I do know that for a lot of you, even though you know you need to practice pronunciation or you want to practice pronunciation, you don't know where to start. And also, it's hard to stay consistent when something is so vague. There is so much that you need to do. It feels so overwhelming. This is why I wanted to make it super easy for you to get started, or if you've already done pronunciation work, to get back on track with regular daily practice. Because daily practice is the only way, even if it's just 10 minutes a day, okay? Doesn't have to be a lot. Daily practice is the only way to change pronunciation habits and to acquire new sounds, which is what you need to do to have the clarity and the confidence in a new language or in a language that is not your native language. This is why I prepared for you a 14-day pronunciation plan. In the 14-day pronunciation plan, first of all, I'm going to lay out your practice so you don't have to think about it. I have figured it out for you. I took a lot of the resources that we've shared along the years, videos and practice sheets and audio practice, and I've shared it for free with so many of my students. But still, I'm not expecting you to go back to hundreds of videos and look for those videos. So I took 14 of my best exercises, speech practices, and compiled them together day by day with instructions on how to practice, how much time to spend, not more than 10 minutes each day, don't worry. And by the end of the 14 days, you will have built new habits of practicing every single day. You will have gained clarity about some of the key sounds of English, and you will have improved a lot of the sounds and your understanding of the sounds in English. So this is why the 14-day pronunciation practice is given to you completely free, because I want you to find your passion practicing pronunciation, but also I don't want you to worry about what to do and how to do it. The pronunciation plan is going to be on my app called the Influency Academy. The only way to join it is through a link that I'm going to send you over email when you sign up. Like I said, it's absolutely free. And in addition to the 14-day pronunciation plan, you'll find additional resources and exercises. And sometimes we host events there. So once you download the app, you'll have access to everything, including content that is updated. In the 14-day pronunciation plan, we will cover sounds like the O as in go, and the sheep, ship vowel pair, and the TH, and the R. Everything includes a practice sheet and audio practice for you to practice on your own, on the go, with the app. Like I said, I think that it's going to be an exciting way for you to get started with pronunciation if you haven't yet, or to get a really organized daily practice for the next 14 days so that you always know what to do and you can gain momentum and reach a breakthrough only within 14 days. Now, if you have any questions about the practice or about the plan or about pronunciation, feel free to write your question in the comment. If you're listening to it as a podcast, you can always reach out to me on Instagram at hadar.accentsway, or just simply reply to one of the emails that you get from me. I really hope you're going to find this 14-day plan useful and helpful, and you can use it whenever you want. So click the link in the description or here on the screen and go ahead and download the plan and get access to the Influency Academy app. I will see you there.